Hey guys, today we are looking at how to divide fractions. And again, there are two different strategies that we can use. We can use the strategy of multiplying by the reciprocal, or we can find common denominators. And so let's first look at finding common denominators. So I have 5/6 divided by 5/10. I see that 6 and 10 are not the same denominator. And so I'm just going to list out multiples of each number. So I have 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30, which I'm going to stop at because I know 30 is a multiple of 10 as well. So 30 will be my least common multiple. So I'm going to rewrite these fractions using a denominator of 30. So I know it takes me 5 groups of 6 to get to 30. So it will take me 5 groups of 5 to get to my new numerator. And it takes me 3 groups of 10 to get to 30. So it will take me 3 groups of 5 to get to my new numerator. And now that my denominators are the same, I can just divide straight across and see that 25 divided by 15 will be my answer. But that is an improper fraction, so I can rewrite that as 1 whole and 10/15, or 1 whole and 2/3. Now, another way that we could do this is by multiplying by the reciprocal. Multiplying by the reciprocal means that instead of dividing by this 5/10, I would actually multiply by its flipped version. So I would instead say that 5/6 multiplied by the reciprocal, or the flipped fraction, so that would become 10/5. And then I would just use my rules that I understand about multiplying fractions, where I multiply numerator times numerator to get 50, and denominator times denominator to get 30. And again, this is improper. So this decomposes into 1 and 20/30, or 1 and 2/3. So again, we're getting equivalent answers, and it does not matter which strategy we use. Let's look at one more. So we have 1/4 divided by 1/7. And when I look at this fraction, generally speaking, my most efficient strategy would be to multiply by the reciprocal, because in order to create common denominators, I would need to change both fractions. So I'm just going to multiply by the reciprocal here. So that means I'm going to rewrite it as 1/4 multiplied by the reciprocal of the second fraction, which becomes 7/1. And now I would just multiply straight across. So 1 times 7 is 7, and 4 times 1 is 4. This is still improper, so this can decompose into 1 whole and a remaining 3/7. So when we have 1/4 divided by 1/7, we get 1 and 3/7. Thank you.